Is my drawing on top like that? You got the dirty girl. Around like this. Put it on. Push it down. Put it on. Okay, you push it down. Put it on.
All right, let's see if he can do it now. You did a great job teaching him.
Ow! Now you have to put it on. I think this might be dirty a little bit. I'm trying to figure out what's.
Layla, Maymuna's a little confused. Would you be able to help her like you helped Admin? Why don't you walk around the other side so she can see you better?
And I guess did it.
Layla, go to the other side, hon.
I did it.
Good. Can you tear off some more tape and do the rest of it? Is it all the way around?
Hold on. Put it on. Push it down. Put it on. Push it down. Okay? No.
Now you try, Maymuna. Same way she did it. Can you do what she did? Just a little piece, Admin. You can do little pieces at a time. Do you need help cutting it? Oh, that's a good idea.
It's kind of sticky on my
That's
teeth.
okay.
Okay, I can Thank you.
Alan, why are they putting tape around the edges?
Because so that no one can get hurt.
All right, let's see you do it, Admin.
This is a long.
You can cut it into smaller pieces if you want.
Can I do the rocks because Alan cut it in?
Are we at the rock section yet? Let's talk about the part that we're on. That's pretty good. Keep trying.